Question 8 is on Venn diagrams, and the universal set here consists of set A, which is looking at polygons which have at least one pair of parallel sides, and set B, which consists of polygons which have at least one pair of equal sides. We have got a rectangle, a rhombus, an isosceles triangle, a regular pentagon, and a scaling triangle, and we are asked to arrange them in the Venn diagram, and we can see that the rectangle has already been placed in the intersection because it has both at least one pair of parallel sides, i.e. set A, and also at least one pair of equal sides, i.e. set B. So what I would do here is just try and look at both sides and see which components are in each. So set A then, we are looking for any other shapes which have at least one pair of parallel sides. So looking at these, we can see that the rhombus is in the category, and that is going to be it. In set B then, we're looking for shapes which have at least one pair of equal sides. So we've got rectangle already. I mean, it's already listed, but we can put it there. A rhombus is also going to have at least one pair of equal sides, so we can put that there. What else have we got? An isosceles triangle, that is obviously by definition going to have at least one pair of equal sides. Regular pentagon, again, that's going to have at least one pair of equal sides. So we can see, therefore, that H appears in both of these. So H is also going to go in the intersection. There's nothing else to go in set A, so we finish that side. On the right-hand side, then, R we can see would also appear in both, but that's already included here. I is the isosceles triangle, which only appears in here, and similarly P, the regular pentagon, also appears in here. But you'll notice that we haven't included the scaling triangle because that doesn't appear in both, so we also have to put that outside here. So that is how we set up our diagram, and we can then use that to interpret part 1b, which asks us to find the intersection of A and B. So A intersection B is just going to be R and H, or rectangle and rhombus, or however you want to express it. And then part 2 is, this is A union B, but here the dash, the apostrophe, this means not in A or B. So remember, A or B is anything in here. So A or B is R and H and I and R. So the only thing that's not in A or B is going to be T. So not A or B is just going to be T.